because you're the perfect patsies. Come on, when people look up bad in the dictionary, do they see a sweet, adorable guinea pig? No, they see you. And they always will.
Okay, fine. But you set us up.
Oh, pish, pish. Let's be honest, evolution set you up. But Wolfie here really clinched it. You fell for every one of my traps, starting with saving a helpless little old lady.
Wolf, what's he talking about?
Whoops. Did I say too much? Anywho, looks like, yet again, the big bad wolf got outsmarted by little piggy.
You little pouchy cheeks! I'll kill you! You hear me? You're dead! You're dead!
The big bad wolf is attacking me!
Oh, now you are done forever, Wolf!
Oh, thank goodness. Oh. Oh. Shit. That was